Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So we have a new update for OnePlus 12 and I would say OnePlus kind of messed up OxygenOS 15 here. They have done some underhood changes which we'll talk about. They have also added some new features and some fixes have been done. In this video I'll also talk about the battery backup, what I have been getting on this latest build. Because we are late for this video as I was traveling. But I do have some camera samples also where OnePlus I feel did not optimize this build that good. So here you can see we have OnePlus 12 and if I go to about section and show you guys the software information under the version, you can see the latest version is 15.0.0.501. So this is the latest build of OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus 12. It comes with 1st Jan 2025 security patch. The update size was quite massive, which was around 1.03 GB. And here you can see all the changes. And I've seen most of the users are waiting for our OnePlus 13 video. So OnePlus 13 was already booked on the day 1, but there was some issues with Amazon, they did not deliver. And we have also booked OnePlus 13 from OnePlus official website. Mostly the device might get delivered tomorrow and day after tomorrow you guys will see the video. I'll share my personal experience with OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13R. Now guys, before moving ahead, we have around 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Do you guys remember when OxygenOS 15 was released? One thing was a lot appreciated and that's the rounded corners in quick setting tiles and in other areas. But OnePlus have messed up with this latest update on OxygenOS 15. You can see the rounded corners have been completely removed. So here you can see towards the left hand side, this is how it used to look. And I personally like this rounded corners for the things like volume panel and brightness panel. But that thing have been removed from here. So this is one thing which I seriously feel OnePlus should get back on track and get the rounded corners again. Though this change is not done on volume slider. It's only done in the control center with brightness slider and the volume slider. What do you guys think about this change? Was it required or not? Let us know in the comment section below. In the control center now you get to see the buds icon in the volume slider. This change we have noticed after this latest build. And you also get to see the buds icon here whenever you press the volume button also. And another place where they have messed up and that's in the shelf. So if I pull down shelf and if I tap on this plus icon, you can see the to-do list widget consists of Chinese text. Previously one Chinese text was available in the launcher setting and now it has also been under the shelf also. I'm not sure what OnePlus developers are doing. These things should not happen on the global units. And another change which I forgot to mention you guys, you'll see this new preview after the first boot up on this latest build, which says press and hold to play the live photo. This preview was not there but the live photo feature was already there. And during my usage I did notice some changes which they haven't mentioned in the change logs. And one of them is related to the UI changes in the Notes application. So if I open Notes, you can see now we have a colorful icon for the AI assistant. And if I tap on it, you can also see colorful glow on the entire pop-up of AI assistant for Notes. And the layout has also been changed. Let me open up on OnePlus Nord 4. Side by side you can see the difference in the icon. If I tap on this icon, and here you can see a difference in the entire UI. Now we have two rectangle tabs on the top side instead of everything beneath each other. And also if you see, now every option have a different background. Previously we had things like clean up, polish, continue writing in one section, but now here everything have been separated. Before talking about the features, let me talk about some of the issues which I have been facing. And the first one is related to whenever I press the power key, there's a slight delay which doesn't used to happen before. Even I can feel the vibration being delayed if I use any other OnePlus smartphone, and whenever I tap on the power button, at the same time I can feel the vibration. But here there's a slight delay, and it's not only with the power button, it also happens with the volume slider. Sometimes there's a major delay in the pop-up of volume panel. So this is one thing, and the second one is related to camera. I've been clicking a lot of pictures using OnePlus 12 with this latest build, though I have no issues with the primary lens, but when it comes to selfies, I did notice some issues. Here the picture quality isn't that good, and sometimes you also get to see the halo effect around the face. I hope OnePlus do fix this thing with the upcoming update. The battery backup seems to be slightly affected after this update. You can see the screen on time, wherein I got 7 hours 33 minutes of SOT. I just used the basic applications, nothing much. Here you can take a look at all the applications which I've used. And let me also show you the second screen on time. There I only got 5 hours 37 minutes of SOT. Again with a similar usage pattern, basic applications have been used, nothing else. So slight battery degradation I could feel here on this latest build, but still I'll be using this device as my primary phone and I'll keep you guys posted in the in-depth review video. And now let's talk about the new add-ons what they have done. So the first add-on is related to Beacon Link. So this is an amazing feature which can come in handy in some emergency scenarios where you can call people if your device doesn't have the Wi-Fi or even mobile network. This option can be found in the mobile network settings. Here you can see we have Beacon Link. We do have an option to add a beacon icon on the home screen. Agree to terms and conditions. You need to allow some permissions here, and once done, you do have options like allow calls and messages from contacts only, or you can also select all. The maximum duration to keep enabled all is 120 minutes. And it will also show you the nearby devices. Currently here I have my OnePlus Nord 4 on which we do have the beacon link feature, and that shows up here under the nearby devices. If you want, you can just refresh, because other devices of OnePlus, I don't think they do have the beacon link feature, but OnePlus Nord 4 do have. And as I said, it can be very handy in some places where there is no mobile network. The maximum range is 200 meters. So let me show you how does it work. If I tap on call, you'll see I'll be getting a call here on my OnePlus Nord 4. There you can see we have the incoming call, and it also says beacon link. If I tap on it, this is the layout what you guys will see. But to have this feature working, the other smartphone should also have this feature built in. After that, we also have a similar functionality like iPhone, where you can touch your OnePlus smartphone with iPhone to share photos and files. And I personally tested out, it works really good. To share the files, you just have to select the files or photo, tap on share, and you'll see this option called share with iPhone. Soon you tap on it, it will search for nearby devices. Make sure OConnect application is installed on your iPhone, and after that you just have to take your device near to the iPhone. You also get to see the similar animations like iPhones. So these are the only two add-ons what OnePlus have done with the latest build. An in-depth review will be dropping soon, and I'll be doing a community post for it. In that you can drop all your questions. So guys, this was all about the latest update for OnePlus 12. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.